Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn simple present tense. Simple present tense is used for daily activity. I wake up at 7. I go to school. I study English. I subject. Study is verb and English is complement. Okay? For he, she, it, we use is. Example, she goes to school, he plays football. Negative, I don't like coffee. She doesn't go to school. Question part, does he play soccer? Do you like English? Okay. Now it's your turn to make 3 examples for everyone and send it in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.